Creating an invisible role in Discord typically means making a role that is not visible to others. Let's see how you can do it in simple steps. First, you need to open your Discord application on your desktop, for example. Now you'll have to go to the servers that you made that should be yours and go to the server setting. After going to server settings, go to the roles option. Here you need to create a role. Click on the create a role button. Just simply click may blank the name and go to the website. You can see on the screen, just simply copy the blank space. Yes, copy the blank space. It's so simple. After copying the blank space, just paste it after the name of your role name. After completing the role name section, you have to choose a color. You can see on the screen the hex color that is good for the video. You can see the color on the screen. I used it. It's called hash 18919. It's so simple color. Just simply do it. Last there is a last word called C, which will make the color same as Discord theme, grayish black. And after that your role will be hidden, almost invisible, like some cool stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.